Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So as of today, is the 5th day of the documentary video. Today is Tuesday, the 9th of June 2026, and also the second week of the month. Okay, so without further ado, let's start our video. Okay, so as per usual, I will be telling you what I did today. Okay, what trades I did today. So today is I think the highest trade that I did for, until now, which is I did 4 trades today. Okay, so as you can see, during this morning, okay, I saw 2 fair value gaps. One is here, and the other one is here. Okay, as price comes back, okay, I place a sell order here, right, which is a failed trade lah, right? It directly blasted through my stop loss, and then there is another trade here. Okay, and this is a successful trade. Okay, my stop loss is around here. Okay, so let me talk about the first one, right? The first one for me is a valid setup. Why? As you can see, there is a strong break of structure here, and then there is a consolidation around this area. So this is supposed to be a liquidity. Supposed to have liquidity at the bottom lah, right? So I believe that price will actually tap and go down, but it did not. So it's a failed trade. Okay, so I don't think there is any mistake here. Okay, if professional traders watching this video you feel that there is a mistake that I did, okay, feel free to comment down below. But for me at this moment, with my limited library of knowledge about trading, for me there shouldn't be a problem. It's just that the bulls are strong at that moment. Okay, the liquidity at the bottom is that strong, okay, for it to blast direct through the fair value gap. Okay, and then price continues going up, which taps into my second fair value gap, right? Second fair value gap, and then it instantly dumps down for 50 pips, actually more than that. Then I only took a 50% partials around here and let the price run. In the end, the price hit break even lah, right? It came down 80 pips, and I only took 50% partials because this is going, which I believe is a pro trend, okay, pro higher time frame trend. So I believe it might go down, but it came back and hit the break even. Okay, so this is considered as a successful trade because I took something up from the market. Okay, nothing else to say because this is just a easy one, right? And then here comes after which is around 9:30. Okay, there forms a fair value gap here, right? This fair value gap forms at 9:10, yeah, around 9:10, something like that. Okay, so and this fair value gap got instantly broke through. As you can see, there is a huge bullish candle, right? A huge bullish candle. And then why? Okay, now that I realize, okay, after it happened, at this particular moment is the 9:30, 9:40 actually, 9:40 before even 9:45. So this is something that I have to take note because one of the things that I always hear professional traders say is that avoid trading on 9:30. Okay, so since it was this close, I am supposed to just remove the limit and just place it back until after 9:30. Okay, and sorry, 9:45. Okay, because this is the high order entry the opening, the market open for New York session. That's why it instantly blast through. Alright, okay, my stop loss was here around 50 pips, instantly gone. I think it was here, yeah, around here, because it was going with the trend. so instantly gone, right? Okay, so I took a loss here. It's okay. Which go back to the extreme zone. Okay, this actually is placed yesterday. To be honest, this is actually placed yesterday, right? Okay, this is the fair value gap. So it, which I already placed since yesterday, it taps into the price, instantly dump. Okay, so I believe this is just a manipulation, okay, or the liquidity grab lah, right? Liquidity grab, it grabs all the liquidity on top and then directly push down all the way, right? I took a 50 pips partial here, and actually this is the area that I was aiming for. As you can see, there is a low here, right? So what I was expecting is that it will eventually hit. It's just a matter of time. It will eventually hit. So in while the price running so far, I set my stop loss here. Of course, I took because there is an IFBG here, right? So I took 25% here, right? And let the rest of 25% go all the way here, which is how many? RR, which is a 3.69 RR, right? Yeah, I let it run all the way here. Okay, so just to let you know, okay, actually I also placed, I mean a sell limit, I mean a buy limit here, right? But I removed it later on. Why? Because I feel that because it grabs so much liquidity, right? So there is a high chance for it to blast right through all the way until the order block. This is the order block, right? So which I believe that it will come down, and it did. As you can see, it did. It came down, push up, right? How many pips? Okay, 200 pips. Okay, so which is so fast, right? But if I were to not leave it, I mean, if I were to not remove the limit order, is this a valid setup? Yes, it is. Okay, it's just that I feel that the risk is very high, and I am already in a profit today. So why should I keep it, right? So it's already 4 trades, might as well I just I mean, and it's very close to the 11 PM lah, right? So I just let it be. I mean, I just remove it, right? And this actually gone up 50 pips and nearly TP2, 160 pips, right? So our TP2 was to 170, 180 lah, right? Just 20 pips difference. Okay, so this would have been a perfect trade, but okay, I don't complain, right? I don't want to complain. Why? Because there is I mean, this is just a probability, right? It might fail, it might go all the way down, which I don't want to hit. And the zone is very, very, very big, right? As you can see, it's a 90 pips zone, stop loss. So I don't want to risk this one, right? Okay, I don't want to risk too much. So that's why. But I will just show later on. As per usual, I will show you the time lapse, the recording for the 4 trades, right? The 5th one, since I didn't take, so I did not record. Okay, so that's all for today. Have fun. Bye.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.